Chelsea here from So Simple Home. Today I'm really excited to share with you this month's Creative Girls Club kit. Now if you aren't familiar with the Creative Girls Club, this is a fun monthly kit club designed for girls ages 7 to 12. How old are you? 7. So each month she's going to get 2 fun, creative projects in the mail. And these projects are going to teach lots of skills like painting, beading, stitching, and so much more. And the best part is all the materials and supplies are included in the kit. So it comes right to your door and she's ready to create. That means you don't have to go to the craft store. You don't have to scrounge through your craft supplies to find what you need. Everything's already there. Now there might be a few supplies like glue or a ruler or a marker that you'll need. But other than that, everything comes in the kit. Plus, you get a step-by-step photo instructions in each kit to tell you how to do each project. That way she can start creating on her own. Now there's a guarantee for the Creative Girls Club. And so if you're not completely satisfied, you can get your money back and you can cancel your membership at any time. But I know she's gonna love it. It's such a fun and creative way to enjoy time with your daughter or your son if he likes to be creative as well. So these are kid-friendly projects. This project today that we're going to do is this fun hoop art, and it's done with felt, and you put it in the hoop and you can add their initial. You can do 1 or 2 initials, but this is a really fun project. So let's go ahead and get started. Today we're going to do this fun hoop art project from the Creative Girls Club. This project is really fun, and we're going to give you some great tips and tricks on how to make the best felt flowers. Let's get started. Our first tip is that you want a nice hot glue gun. One that gets hot enough that the glue will come out, but also hardens up so you keep the shape of your flower. Our second tip is to make sure that you have nice, sharp fabric scissors to cut your felt. Felt can be really difficult to cut if you don't have sharp enough scissors. You're going to be doing many small cuts and some really long, fine cuts. So you want to make sure you have a good pair of scissors for this project. So we have several different flowers that were taught in the instructions, but we're going to combine a couple of those to make a unique flower. So we have this fun little center that
looks like a marshmallow.
That kind of looks like a marshmallow. Hey, and we're going to glue it to the end of this pink strip here. And we're just going to roll it. We're going to roll the flower around the white. And we'll glue a little bit as we go. And then we can trim it so we don't have to use all of the pink. So we have kind of this. Now we're going to add in kind of the blue turquoise. So same thing, we're going to start it here and go around and glue every bit. Every couple inches. You could glue all the way down, but you don't have to. There. Now we have kind of this fun, colorful little flower with a different center. Alright, now we've got all our flowers here, and we're just going to figure out where we want to place them, and we'll hot glue them in place, and then we will add our leaves. So you can watch us do that. how you make this fun hoop project. Thank you so much for joining us today as we made this fun hoop art project with the Creative Girls Club kit from Annie's Crafts. What do you think? Do you like it? Which flower is your favorite? All of them? I think we did a pretty good job. Don't forget to subscribe to Annie's Crafts YouTube channel for more fun projects like this and other fun kit clubs. And we hope to see you next time.